how to upload a video on TikTok from your PC. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to upload a video on TikTok from your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to tiktok.com and you will land right here. We can actually access our TikTok on our laptop or PC as well. So once you are here, and you can see I have logged into my account, and we can upload a video as well. So just click on this upload option given here, and it will open up this window for you. So the first thing we do is just select the file from our laptop or PCs. So now my file is uploading. It's a video, and I can add a caption right here. So I'm just gonna enter a caption for my video, something like fitness maybe, and we can also mention different users if we want, just like on TikTok. And then we can also upload a cover image right here. Again, you can just upload the video. So once the video is uploaded, then you can add a caption. You can select the cover for the video, and if I scroll down, I can select who can view this video, as we have like our followers and friends and private, just like we have on our mobile phone. And then we have allow users to comment, and we have run a copyright check and discard and post option right here. So I can now just click on upload, and I just click on post, and this video will be posted on TikTok to my PC. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.